Hi guys, welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today I am doing a video on the Gladiator challenge that John put out from Will It Grow, to go to the grocery store and get 2 vegetables and grow them without drying the seed, just bringing them home, growing them. So my first thing I'm doing is sweet potatoes, and here they are. So what I've done is I put 3 toothpicks in the sweet potato. I put it in water. See, it's growing roots. And right there, I don't know if you can see that, is where a slip is starting to grow. And this one has one there, one there. Now this does take a little bit of time. There's one there. There's one starting there. This little pitiful potato has one starting there, but I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, I put the 3 toothpicks in them. I have a whole video on just how to grow potato slips, if you want to go look at that. I'll put a card in. I can put a card in for you to go check out my video on how to start potato slips. So, sweet potatoes was my first choice, and then my second choice is strawberries. Now, if you can see the seeds on the strawberries, the brown darker ones are the best to try to plant. Also, when you plant these, you may not get, most strawberries are hybrid that you get at the store. So what I get may not be true to these strawberries. It'll still be a strawberry. It just may not be as big as strawberries or taste quite the same, because these are a hybrid and you lose that when you plant it from seed. But we're going to try that, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So you only want the peeling of the strawberry. You don't need, I guess you could put the whole strawberry, but you just need the peeling. So let's put that peeling down there. Then all the tops of these are the ones that we've eaten, but you can see there's still plenty of seed in there. I'm just going to break that off. I'm going to put those in there just like that. Then we're just going to take a little dirt. And I'm actually planting these in the container they came in. All right. So that is what we have planted for our Gladiator challenge. And we're gonna, I hope these strawberries come up. I've never tried this before, but I hope they come up. And once I'll keep up with the progress of what's going on, and if they make it or if they don't make it. And my sweet potatoes. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and leave those in the box below. If you're liking what we're putting out, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you are notified every time we put out a video. Thank you for watching. God bless.